Welcome to electrodynamics class. In this class we are going to discuss electromagnetic wave equation in non-conducting medium. Non-conducting medium. Non-conducting isotropic medium. What is known as isotropic? Isotropic means the wave properties are same in all directions. The wave properties are same in all directions. In which medium is known as isotropic medium. Again, electromagnetic wave equation in non-conducting isotropic medium. First, Maxwell equations. Again we can write Maxwell equations, 4 equations. One is divergence of D is equal to rho, divergence B is equal to 0, curl E is equal to minus dou B by dou T, curl B is equal to mu naught into J plus JD. So, but condition for non-conducting isotropic medium, non-conducting medium. For non-conducting medium, D is equal to epsilon naught into E, B is equal to mu H, relations J is equal to 0 for non-conducting and rho is equal to 0. So the condition for non-conducting medium. Due to these conditions, those Maxwell equations can change. Those are divergence E is equal to, generally divergence D is equal to rho, D equal to E into epsilon naught. So rho by epsilon naught, that is equal to 0. Divergence H is equal to 0 because B is equal to mu into H. Divergence H is equal to 0. curl E is equal to minus mu into dou H by dou T, dou B by dou T. So that is changes into minus mu into dou H by dou T. Curl H is equal to epsilon naught into, because curl B is equal to mu into J plus JD, J remains 0. Curl B is equal to mu into JD. Curl B by mu is equal to JD. B by mu is equal to H. JD means epsilon naught into dou E by dou T. Again we will take this equation, third equation. Curl E is equal to, in before question, that is electromagnetic wave equation free space, we have taken same equation, curl E is equal to minus mu into dou H by dou T. Similarly this curl E is equal to minus mu into dou H by dou T. Again curl on both sides, curl of curl E is equal to minus mu into dou by dou T of curl H. So curl H means again del of del E minus del cross E means del of del dot E minus del dot del into E is equal to minus mu. What is the value of dou by dou T of curl H? That is, curl H means epsilon naught into dou by dou T of epsilon naught into epsilon naught into dou H by dou T. So here del dot E is equal to 0, that means the term 0. Then minus del square E is equal to minus mu epsilon. This is a non-conducting medium, this is not a free medium. Epsilon dou square H by dou T square. Sorry, dou square this is dou square E, curl H is equal to dou E. Dou square E dou E, that means dou square E by dou T square, mu epsilon dou square E by dou T square. So then minus minus cancelled, dou square E by dou T, del square E minus mu epsilon into dou square E by dou T square is equal to 0. Let me write that equation. Right, del square E minus mu epsilon dou square E by dou T square equal to 0. Similarly, for magnetic field, del square H minus mu epsilon dou square H by dou t square equal to 0. So these two equations are compared by general form of wave equation. General form, del square H minus 1 by v square into dou square H by dou t square equal to 0. Comparing these two equations, v square equal to 1 by mu epsilon, this implies v equal to 1 by root mu epsilon. In isotropic medium, for isotropic medium, mu is equal to km be the constant into mu naught, and epsilon is equal to constant into epsilon naught. Proportionality constants km and km naught. Therefore, v is equal to 1 by root over km mu naught km epsilon naught. So v is equal to 1 by root km and another constant like ke into 1 by root mu naught epsilon naught. What is the value of mu naught epsilon naught? C. Therefore v equal to c by root km into, those are proportionality constants. These above equations are speed of electromagnetic waves in isotropic dielectric, which is less than the speed of electromagnetic wave in free space. The solutions of these two equations are the solutions of these two equations are the solutions of these two equations. E of r comma t is equal to E naught into e power I ka power minus I omega t. For magnetic field, h of r comma t is equal to h naught e power I ka minus I omega t, where v bar is the propagation vector, then k is equal to omega by v into vector notation n cap. So from equation change in terms of propagation vector, k bar dot h bar is equal to 0 and k bar dot e bar is equal to 0. From these two conditions, E and H are perpendicular to each other in the direction of vector field. It indicates that the nature of the wave, that is electromagnetic wave in non-conducting isotropic medium, are transverse waves. Those electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. then curl H is equal to epsilon into dou E by dou T, then K cross H is equal to epsilon into vector notation. Similarly, K cross E is equal to mu into omega H. These are the solution wave equation and the solution of electromagnetic wave equation for non-conducting isotropic medium. Okay, thank you students.